Hey, good morning everybody. My name is Barry. I work with the UEI Training Center. We're here at Vision representing UEI Automotive Test Products. Two key items that we're presenting today are ignition scope ADL7103, which is also a lab scope, graphing meter, voltmeter, OBD2 code reader, and clearing device. Heck of a tool, 25 megasample sample rate. It does some real magic. Typically, if we have a secondary ignition waveform, it's going to look like this on almost every ignition scope. We have the capability to zoom into the firing line and actually see cap, rotor, and spark plug gap, or if it's coil on plug, both gaps. And if there were a third gap that shouldn't be there, we can see that as well. Typical automotive scopes don't have that kind of power. So this is very special. Another item that we're featuring here is our new green thing. It's a 5-gas automotive analyzer. It works on gasoline, compressed natural gas, and propane. But here's the big part that's very important. It'll work on diesel exhaust as well. To my knowledge, it's the only automotive gas analyzer that's specifically made to work on gasoline, LPG, propane for those alternative fuel vehicles, and diesel. We expect to see a lot of interest in diesel exhaust testing this year and next year. The federal EPA, as well as many state and municipal EPAs, are going to be announcing regulations involving diesel exhaust gas, and Green Thing is the solution. You can find Green Thing specification information online at labscopes.com, and that's LABSCOPES because there's more than one lab scope in the world. And check it out. We have the first 6 pages of our website are informational, product-oriented, and the back 12 pages are help tips on how to make better use of your scopes and meters. A lot of folks like to print that out. Also, with our ADL7103 ignition scope lab scope, when you order from the factory training center, labscopes.com, Lab Scope Coach comes with the package. It's a very detailed instructional on how to use the instrument. All the buttonology is clearly explained in layman's terms so that you'll know what controls are and what they do in terms of affecting the waveform and how it's going to look for you. Then the back section is application briefs, discussion on how to check secondary ignition, what the waveform should look like, how to set the instrument up, what to look for, what's normal, what's not, what to do about it. And we also include unlimited helpline, and it's a toll-free call. It's the most liberal training and support in the industry. And for our school customers, we give you permission to reproduce this written material as much as you need to for classes held at the school. So a lot of wonderful state-of-the-art instrumentation, the industry's best training and support, and all at very affordable prices. Thanks for tuning in.
The Vision HiTech Training and Expo is brought to you by the Automotive Service Association of Missouri, Kansas. For more information about upcoming Vision events, please visit www.visionkc.com. We look forward to seeing you at the next Vision HiTech Training and Expo.